Every single day, your kidneys quietly work behind the scenes, filtering more than 50 gallons of blood, removing toxins, balancing electrolytes, and regulating your blood pressure. They never rest, never complain, and never stop until they do. Here's the shocking truth. Over 850 million people worldwide have some form of kidney disease, according to the International Society of Nephrology. Yet, most people don't realize it until it's too late. The early signs, fatigue, back pain, frequent urination, puffy eyes, or swelling around the ankles, are often ignored or mistaken for something else. Doctors warn that by the time symptoms become severe, nearly 90% of kidney function may already be lost. That's why prevention and natural detoxification are vital, not luxury options. But here's something most people don't know. The secret to gently cleaning and revitalizing your kidneys might not lie in expensive supplements or detox kits. It could be sitting right in your kitchen, in a simple combination of coconut water and a powerful natural seed that has stunned researchers with its detoxifying and healing abilities. Before revealing what that seed is, let's take a closer look at what your kidneys truly do and why they desperately need your help.
If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos on natural wellness.
Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located just below your ribs on either side of your spine. Each kidney contains about 1 million microscopic filters called nephrons, and these filters are your body's lifeline. They remove waste, control your body's fluid balance, and maintain the right levels of sodium, potassium, and calcium in your blood. But what happens when your kidneys start to struggle? When the filters become clogged or damaged due to toxins, dehydration, or unhealthy foods, the body begins to accumulate waste. Over time, this can lead to high blood pressure, fatigue, water retention, urinary tract infections, and eventually chronic kidney disease, CKD. Common causes include excessive salt and processed food intake, too much sugar or soda consumption, overuse of painkillers like ibuprofen and NSAIDs, dehydration, uncontrolled diabetes or hypertension. Unfortunately, kidney problems progress silently. By the time you feel the pain or notice changes in urine color or volume, the damage is already advanced. That's why regular kidney cleansing is crucial, to give these hard-working organs a chance to rest and regenerate. And this is where the surprising duo of coconut water and a little-known super seed comes in. Coconut water has been called nature's Ive drip, and for good reason. It's one of the purest, most hydrating liquids found in nature. Unlike sugary sodas or energy drinks, coconut water is packed with natural electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all of which support kidney function and fluid balance. It's low in sugar, high in antioxidants, and acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body produce more urine to flush out toxins, uric acid, and excess minerals that can form kidney stones. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, coconut water has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for urinary tract infections, UTIs, kidney stones, high blood pressure, dehydration. Modern science supports these ancient uses. A study published in the Journal of Urology found that coconut water helps prevent the formation of crystals that lead to kidney stones and promotes their breakdown for easier passage. But here's where the story gets even more interesting. When coconut water is combined with one specific natural seed, its cleansing and healing effects multiply dramatically. Let's talk about that secret ingredient. You've probably seen it floating in smoothies, puddings, or health drinks. It's tiny, black, and looks almost too simple to be so powerful. The hidden ingredient is chia seed, one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on Earth. Chia seeds were once called the food of warriors by the Aztecs and Mayans. A single tablespoon was said to sustain them through long battles and journeys. But modern science has discovered that their true magic lies in how they interact with the body, especially the kidneys. When soaked in water, chia seeds form a gel-like texture that can bind toxins and heavy metals in the digestive tract, helping the body flush them out through urine. This gel also helps regulate hydration and electrolyte balance, both essential for kidney function. Now imagine this: the hydrating, mineral-rich power of coconut water combined with the detoxifying, anti-inflammatory strength of chia seeds. That's not just a drink, that's a natural kidney cleanse in a glass. Now, let's look at how the coconut water plus chia seed combination works. When you mix chia seeds into coconut water, something remarkable happens. The chia seeds swell up, absorbing the liquid and forming a gelatinous coating. Inside your body, this mixture creates a soothing, cleansing effect as it travels through your digestive system and urinary tract. Here's what's happening internally. The hydration from coconut water increases urine output, which helps wash out toxins and crystals from your kidneys. The gel-like fiber from chia seeds binds to heavy metals, uric acid, and waste materials, helping to eliminate them naturally. The antioxidants from both ingredients protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds reduce inflammation in kidney tissues, promoting healing and regeneration. Together, they work like a natural scrub, cleansing, restoring, and rejuvenating your kidneys from the inside out. Most people don't realize when their kidneys are overloaded. Here are some subtle signs that your body might be begging for a cleanse. Constant fatigue or low energy, puffy eyes, especially in the morning, swelling in the ankles or feet, frequent or painful urination, foamy or cloudy urine, strong-smelling urine, high blood pressure, lower back pain around the waist area. If you experience 2 or more of these symptoms regularly, it's time to take your kidney health seriously. Starting a 7-day coconut water and chia seed routine could be one of the simplest ways to reset your system. Let's break down what happens when you take coconut water mixed with chia seeds for 7 consecutive days. Day 1 to 2. Hydration reset. On the first 2 days, your body begins to rehydrate and balance its electrolytes. The coconut water replenishes lost minerals, while the chia seeds start cleansing your digestive tract. You might notice clearer urine and increased urination, a sign that toxins are starting to move out. Day 3 to 4. Toxin flush and energy boost. By midweek, the cleansing effect deepens. The soluble fiber from chia seeds binds to heavy metals and metabolic waste, guiding them out of your body. Your energy levels may rise as your kidneys become less burdened. Many people also report reduced bloating and improved digestion at this stage. Day 5 to 6. Cellular repair. Now, antioxidants from both ingredients start working on a deeper level, reducing oxidative stress in kidney cells and lowering inflammation. You may notice less swelling in your feet or under your eyes, improved focus, and steadier blood pressure. Day 7. Renewal. By the 7th day, your body feels lighter, your urine is clearer, and you might feel more energized. Your kidneys are cleaner, more efficient, and better equipped to filter toxins naturally. This simple 7-day practice can be repeated once every 2 to 3 months to maintain long-term kidney health. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber that help lower cholesterol, while coconut water helps control blood pressure. Together, they protect your arteries and heart from inflammation and buildup. The fiber in chia seeds slows down glucose absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes, crucial for people with diabetes, who are more at risk for kidney damage. The gel from soaked chia seeds improves bowel movement, reducing the toxin load on your kidneys by helping your digestive system process waste more efficiently. This drink helps control appetite by keeping you full longer. A clean kidney system also improves metabolism, helping your body burn fat more effectively. Coconut water restores vital minerals after exercise, stress, or dehydration, keeping your muscles, nerves, and kidneys in sync. Now, here's how to make your 7-day kidney detox drink at home. Ingredients: 1 glass of fresh coconut water, about 250 ml. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Optional: a squeeze of fresh lemon or a slice of cucumber for extra detox power. Directions: 1. Add chia seeds to the coconut water and stir well. 2. Let the mixture sit for 10-15 minutes to allow the seeds to swell. 3. Stir again and drink slowly, preferably on an empty stomach or before bed. You can take it once daily for 7 days. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to assist the detox process. After your 7-day detox, the benefits extend far beyond your kidneys. Many people report clearer skin, better energy levels, fewer sugar cravings, improved mood and focus, balanced blood pressure, deeper sleep. These improvements happen because your kidneys directly influence your body's internal balance. When they work well, every organ, from your liver to your brain, functions better. Sometimes the most powerful remedies don't come in a bottle or capsule. They come from the earth. Simple, pure, and profoundly effective. A glass of coconut water mixed with chia seeds isn't a miracle drug. It's nature's gentle way of saying, "Let me help you heal." If your kidneys could speak, they'd probably thank you for every sip. So tonight, instead of reaching for something artificial, reach for this humble drink, the one that helps your body restore itself, 1 drop at a time. Your kidneys deserve it. And so do you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health insights from Vitality Unplugged.